Afternoon team, welcome back to Van Adventures, and we're in the L322. We've had a problem for the last few months we've ignored, and I thought we'd better fix it. I can just show you why. Watch the screen. Now, with L322s, you go into reverse. Oh no, the black screen of death. Looked at YouTube and everything, and it should be, needs a new camera. Now, a new camera from Land Rover is 500 quid, I think, including VAT and things. So we bought a second-hand one off eBay for this model, which is 2010 L322 3.6 TDV8. So I've had a look on YouTube to see how to fix it. So let's go and do it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Now the engine's running because we've just started it, and I hate starting the car and stopping it straight away because it kills the battery. So apparently the first thing you do is take this one off, which we've taken off before. And it's famous for breaking clips.
Yes.
Come on, it's two there. As you see, those are the clips. All these have got these metal clips that go into holes like this. Right, this is where it plugs into, I think. There's all the leads. Let's have a look. There we go. I believe that these are all the leads for the camera. I think there's three. Two are for the camera, and one is for the third light. 1, 2. There we go. Oh, that's a bit difficult. 3. Right. What do you reckon that is? I reckon that is a 10. Should use my Temu special, man. I said a 10, didn't I?
Yeah.
Ah, you can't teach that. This is from Temu special. I'll do that one first. Oh, my longer one. Oh, this hasn't been off before. Now this releases the there's the camera there.
Yeah.
This releases the rear spoiler. Then it should just slide off.
Okay.
Apparently, and a very short little things. There's 2. Only people of certain vintage will get that one.
Yeah.
Now I've tried, unlike professional YouTubers and good ones, trying to talk while I'm doing stuff, and I can't do it. So this will probably be montage with music because I don't talk. And people know me don't like me, so I'm a bit loud normally. I'll just introduce you to the camera. This is a camera I bought off eBay for a chap in Edinburgh for £114. That's the actual camera itself. So there's a brown one and a black one. That's the cabling that came with it, and that's the cover.
Cool.
That little sucker there, 500 quid from Land Rover.
It's crazy, isn't it?
It is. Careful. That one pull out. That's one. Where's that one pull from then? Is that there? Oh, there. Just like that. So that's 1, 2, and there's this one, which I believe is the same sort of thing. Oh, right, okay, so you meant to press that in. There we go. And then, right. Oh, hang on. These grommets here.
Mm-hmm.
You got a kind of, there's one. They do come out, but apparently, all scuba clean. Here comes one, there's two. So, yeah, there we go. And there is the camera.
It's got the like the camera info here.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So yeah, this comes off. So it's that way, isn't it? Look. It's two tabs there. To make sure it's not upside down.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So it also goes that way, doesn't it?
Hmm.
So it means it slides up and out. Just clips there, look.
Yeah.
And that obviously slots down into there
Yeah.
and locks. So if you go straight down, that should, right, actually, it's like so on. That goes down into there. Well, that's pretty mudded that, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Oh, right.
Is that gunk in there?
Yeah, that was mud. Right, that's not too bad because we can reuse that. So look, what you'll do is take, that comes off. Cool, right, so you take that out.
Mm-hmm.
Now, that's what we have. Of course we have. That's good because we can glue that back up.
Okay.
So we can still use this. Yeah. Clip's still there, so that's good. What it is, it's bonded on, look.
Yes. I see.
It's like it's still there. We can put some glue in that at a later date. So, not too bad. Right, so we know that came out that way. So, this is the old wiring. So we'll keep that to one side, and that's the old camera. We'll keep it dirty.
Yeah.
So we know it's the old camera. Okay. So this is the new camera. This is the new wiring. And we know that to get this one off, pull that out, don't we? That should just pop out. There you go. So we need to put this through here first. And we know the camera goes that way.
Yeah.
And that one, it says 2 pins.
Yeah.
So it goes that way. And that's a nice seal around there. Actually, we'll wipe the seal off. Keep it nice and waterproof. So that camera goes in that way. So there's 2 pins and then there's a doobrey. So that should go in there.
Mm-hmm.
And that should, that way, sorry. And that should just click in. That's this way, look. That's right. So that fits through that hole. And this should just click in, but there you go. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
So we need a bit of glue there.
Okay.
To fit. Actually, that's in. That's not too bad. There's the grommets. So
do we have to put it all back together before we can test it?
we can put it in loosely.
Right. Cool.
This way we find out it's in upside down.
Yeah.
But it shouldn't be. I had a horrible feeling when I'm about to take this off.
Yeah.
It'd be like a wire disconnected.
Yeah.
You'd be like, no.
I was sure it wouldn't, because we did have that weird fisheye error first, where it all goes fisheye-y.
We did. I've now got to feed it back through there. This should be fun. Okay. Right, now I'm putting in, you see from there?
Yeah.
Putting this one back through. Put one at a time, so that's one in. Then there's another one should fit in. Go on in. Right. Now, these go, that slides back on there. Yeah. Make sure the cables aren't trapped. And we just push back in. Now we've got to find the cables.
Okay, good game.
So be careful what you're pulling here.
Yeah.
Hang on, stand by your beds. Stop your grinning and drop your linen. They're there. Come on, you little suckers. Right, there's one. There's two. Come on, number three, don't be shy. Is that it there? Yeah. Right.
How are you feeling?
Nervous as any amateur mechanic or mechanic. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not even an amateur mechanic. I'm a little bit of a mechanic. Right. Two things can go wrong here.
Yeah.
One, it won't work at all and it'll be a blank screen. Two, that's another thing. L322 owners, when we turn the engine on, it always goes to aircon. I think it's a standard setting. Is there a hack we can have?
Yes.
Am I holding it in enough? Thank you very much. My two biggest worries are, first one isn't going to work. Second one is upside down.
Drum roll.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Yes! Oh my god!
And it's not a bevel thing. That's the actual.
I know. Oh my god! Why am I so surprised that you've managed to fix something?
Well, it's not that second-hand part. That's the main thing.
Yeah, that's true.
Well, that was say from a guy in Edinburgh.
Yeah. And
it's £114, including package and posting.
That's bloody good, isn't
as opposed to 500. Should we go again?
Yes. Sorry. Oh my god. Oh god. Do you know, I so many times, or when we had the bumper incident, that was one of the things. Yeah, if we'd had the
I know we don't need it.
camera working. No, but like
but I know when you come to sell the car.
Yes, exactly.
And you put
if you've got something wrong with it.
all
again, they all line up.
Yeah. Well,
yeah, if you've got something wrong with it, then people are going to think, well, what else is wrong with it?
But also, they might knock you on the price for it.
Yeah, true. But also there are things, you know, we when I'm trying to park in town and stuff, I'm like, I can't see the car behind.
Admittedly, when we first got it, I thought I'm never going to use it.
Yeah.
And I didn't really use it.
No.
Until we didn't have it.
Yeah.
And then it's like, oh.
Where is it? Yeah.
It's like an added bonus. Is that actually catching?
I don't know. I'm just thinking that was proper, full-on, genuine reaction.
Yes!
Oh,
Just yes. When the casing wasn't brilliant.
Yeah.
It's one of those things, we can live without it. But I always say with vehicles, if you've got more than two things that you should do, you should keep on top of it. If something goes wrong, get on top of it.
Yeah.
Because the more you kind of leave it and the more jobs pile up, then you end up with a pile of shit.
Yeah.
Right, so that can all go back in now, can't it? Right, what I want you to do, you're just going to put it in reverse. Yeah? And that is solid in there.
Well,
I'm chuffed to bits for that.
yes.
We are chuffed to bits for that. We're in. What do all these things do? What do they do?
I don't know, I really hope we never find out. No, I hope we never need to find out, probably.
Well, this is our Temu £10 little socket set.
Yeah.
It's worked once.
It's literally the size of your hand. There you go. It's a handy size.
And we're going to keep it in the cart.
Yeah.
Well, my little chickadees. That is how you do that. That's not a bad little set, that.
Yeah.
Right, so we've got to find out where this little sucker came from. One there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've done a job.
We have done a job.
I'll put this panel back on quickly.
Yeah.
Now, a lot of these break off sometimes, so we're quite lucky.
Yeah.
Thank you all for watching this boring rubbish. Breathe in. Here. Ha. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.
It's not boring rubbish.
It might be, but our few kindred spirits, because how many subscribers we got?
76.
6.
I thought 78.
Yeah, so we've got 76 subscribers.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah. So thank you all to the new ones. We've got so much content already filmed,
We've actually
We
got
need to
88 videos that I need to edit. I counted them all up.
but Emma gets to it when she can.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's loads out there.
Yeah.
So thanks again. Like and subscribe, and share, and comment. Any sort of comment.
Yeah.
Saying you rubbish, get off.
No.
What are you doing? No. You ain't got no authority.
Yeah.
Yeah. So cool. So it's goodbye from me, Sean, and it's goodbye from you.
Me, Emma.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, shit. It's working. Ages. Are you still filming? Weirdo.